Sasa Pay has a solution called Lipa Fare, which we offer to the matatus and the transport industry. For the matatus, once a matatu wants to go cashless, they just register on Sasa Pay and get a till number, and the customers are able to pay to the till number. For users, it's very user-friendly. You just go to the app and you see the feature, the Lipa Fare feature. You just input the matatu till number and input the amount, and you're able to pay. For the passengers who don't have Sasa Pay, they're able to just be given instructions on how to pay to the till. The benefit of going cashless, as we look at it, is the accountability. For the matatu owners or for the SACCOs, they're able to get accountability of all the fare that has been collected through the Sasa Pay platform. The referral campaign that we launched today is going to benefit all the matatus, all the matatu drivers and the conductors of Oma Sacco, because every time they onboard a Sasa Pay customer, they're going to earn 30 shillings. And this 30 shillings is going to be credited to their Sasa Pay account immediately they onboard a customer.
Our customers have adopted using cashless fare paying system. And since it's self-regulatory, we are not forcing people, and we have seen our customers embracing the merchant accounts, paying their fares comfortably, and we've never had much of hitches. I would recommend Sasa Pay to other matatu industry stakeholders, and especially SACCOs, because too much handling of cash is an exposure by itself. And the charges for banking and any transfer of Sasa Pay monies is cheaper as compared to other providers. So I would recommend as many SACCOs as possible to use cashless through Sasa Pay.
Hiyo kulipisha na Sasa Pay so far inakuanga very happy. Sasa zile tunaona wakilipa na simu, for one unajua wewe mtu haizi reverse do. Juu saa zile tumeingia kila saa, wakati wote umebeba, ukianza kulipisha before hujalipisha, unawaambia kulipa tunalipa na cashless.